About getting injured on the job. It's the Law and You. Back with us are award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here again.
Those awards just keep piling up, right? They do.
Well, you can't even find your office
Nope.
now, Ed. You
Nope.
lost your razor, apparently.
I know. It's gone.
All right, let's get to our question involving this injury on the job from David in Larksville. He says, I injured my right hand at work, and the doctor says I am permanently going to lose the use of it. What are my rights against my employer? Is there anything David can do here against his employer?
Well, Dave, I mean, probably need a little bit more facts as to how this particular incident happened, but the rights against your employer, very simply, you're going to have a workers' compensation case. You haven't given us enough information to make a determination as to whether there's any other type of case, if you can go after the manufacturer or if there's a product case or a third party involved. But at a minimum, you're going to have a workers' compensation case and you're going to be entitled to benefits under that.
Yeah, and also with the one thing that I keyed on with this one when I heard it was the fact that you said you may have lost the use of your hand. And what workers' compensation does, for example, if you lost the total use of your hand, there's what's called a specific loss. And as long as a doctor says for all practical intents and purposes your hand is no longer functional, there is a block of weeks of compensation that you would get for your hand. For example, if you cut your thumb off, they'll say, hey, your thumb is worth this many weeks. So if you're in a workers' compensation case, especially with this complexity, you're definitely going to need legal counsel. But if you're trying to do it on your own, there's another set of benefits out there on top of the regular weekly benefits, which would be a specific loss. So that's something a lot of people don't know about.
All right, our viewers who may have issues when it comes to injuries on the job, I know you guys specialize in this. How can they reach you?
They call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
And the hotline's been blowing up this holiday season, so don't forget about the hotline. Go to our Facebook page, put a question. We'll do our best to answer in an upcoming segment.
I can't wait for Greg's holiday happy hour. It's going to be fun.
Oh, yeah.
All right, don't forget Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much.
Our pleasure.
Don't forget, you can get your question here on the Law and You. Just head to our hotline or visit PAHomepage.com.